Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can watch the World Cup for free on your mobile and also on your laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your device. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any other browser. Now search for Urban VPN and open the official website. After that, install the Urban VPN extension in your browser. It will take only a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, after that, open a new tab and visit the streaming website. If the website was not opening before, now it should work because your location has changed. Now simply sign in or create a free account if needed. Open the extension from your browser. Now connect your VPN to Australia. Make sure you select Australia only. Wait for a few seconds until it says connected. That's it. Now you can enjoy the World Cup live on your mobile or laptop. The video quality is really good, and if your internet connection is stable, you can watch without any problem. If the website is still not opening, just refresh the page once or reconnect the VPN to Australia again. It usually fixes the problem. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys, take care.